Hello there, today we will see how to create a remarketing campaign and also we'll see how to set up tag manager and how to create a remarketing audience. So in this regards we have to go in Google Ads account and in goals section and click on shared library and set up on audience manager. After that we have to create a conversion ID to our setup in our Google Tag Manager. Here in your data sources we will see the Google Tag Manager conversion ID. We need to keep remain things same and save and continue, and here it is Google Tag Manager, and here is the conversion ID. We need to copy it and we will go in tag manager and we will set up a new tag for remarketing for our customer. So I'm clicking new and configuration a new tag for remarketing. Here it is, and I will paste the previous conversion ID which I was copied, and we rename of this tag, that is Google Ads Remarketing tag. And we also have to set up trigger for all the page, as we want to track all the customer and all the visitors of our website and have to publish it. Okay, here it is, and after publishing it we will create an audience segment. Okay, here it is, the remarketing tag is almost ready and we will done it. After finishing that we will go your data segment and we click on this plus button and we can create this segment in these various items: website visitor, app user. So we'll prefer website visitor today. So here you can select a segment members, and you can set up also the action, which condition you need to set up to target your customer. It may be contains, it may be equals to an URL, something like that, and I am using the page URL, and the contents I can set up it with my website visitors cookies, that someone can click on my product on my website page, but the link of this site, the product, it remains same, and he may click on other product but the product remain same. Here it is. So in this particular situation I think visitors who visit my website products, he can click the multiple product, but the URL contain /product/. So I can set up more action here and can refine the condition. So I am going with the minimal situation. Okay, and I can set up a segment name. It may be website visitors, website product page visitor. It might be good enough. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Now I have create a segment for our audience. I can create a new audience for who have visited to my website from their Facebook account or any social site. So I am going to rename this audience segment is audience from Facebook account, and it may remain in for 30 days, and I can set up the refine action, that is referral URL, and I will set up here the Facebook URL address so that we can connect them who are visited my website from their Facebook account. I'm checking it the URL is right or not. Okay, here it is. Okay, the URL is okay, so I'm going to paste this URL and I'm going to save it. Okay, create segment. So I am already create a two new segment, which is product page visitors and the Facebook audience from their social site. So the audience segment have been ready. Now I will set up a remarketing campaign for experiment purpose. So I'm going to campaign setup. Okay, remarketing campaign is only applicable for sales and lead generation, so I'm going to select sales campaign. Sales campaign and click on continue button and select a campaign type, that is either display or you may choose video. I'm going to choose video and click on continue button. So I'm going to keep remain the same things because it's a basic things of a campaign setup. I'm not going to customize it. All the segment are a basic task, so I'm going to skip it, and from this section from the audience section you will set up your previous created audience segment, which I have been created before a while, and select it from the browse section. Here it is, the website product page visitor or audience from Facebook. You may remain both audience, or you may keep one segment for the remarketing campaign as for easily recognize. So I'm going to cross it. I'm going to keep remain the one segment, that is website product page visit. Okay, I'm going to save it. So here it is, and we will paste a URL for our video that must be from YouTube. So I'm going to select on it, and the final URL of our website we have to paste here. Okay, here it is, our page URL, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, all the things are ready, and now create campaign. Okay, the headline, call to action, and other things might be fulfilled here. So I'm going to rename a long headline. Okay, you can set up it from ChatGPT or either help from any AI tools. So as it's okay, I'm going to rename such example for an example. So I'm going to create a campaign. So here it is, my campaign is ready. So in whole the process, following the whole process, you can create a remarketing campaign for your desired targeted customer, for your sales or lead, and you can create campaign for display marketing, lead generation. All the process will be the same as I have seen before. So thank you.